With the Screens panel on the left side, the screens in your application are listed. The window to add a new screen opens with Add Screen from the top of the panel. You can add a blank screen or start by choosing one of the ready-made templates. You can create Read Update Delete screens based on a data table with the CRUD screens. Select the data of the screen to be created with CRUD and give it a prefix name. With the Create button, CRUD screens will be created automatically according to the data you have selected depending on the data source. You can also make the changes you need on these screens. You can open a screen that you created by selecting it from the list. You can organize the screens by moving them into folders you will create. To make a screen selected, click on the bottom margin inside the screen or the empty gray area around it. Thus, you can make adjustments such as properties and styling of the open screen. Almost every application has screens such as User Login, Reset Password, and Splash Screen. You can define the role of this type of screens with the Properties panel. Authorization definitions of the screen are found in the Authorization section. You can make any screen accessible by everyone or only by special users with the relevant role. By using the Styling panel, you can also make visual adjustments such as the screen's margins and background.